अध्यापक आपका स्वागत करता है।
Hello students, how are you? Let's get started. Now you can see that this is completed, and now let's go for the next one. So in this one they told, can we repeat the painter's trick while drawing pictures of the following? So you can see that this is a caterpillar, and if you try to do it in half, we cannot do it because you can see that 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 these rounds are not equal, and if you try to do it half, you can see that here there are only 2 legs and here's a face. If you wanted to divide it, then here also must be a face, but there is no face here. There's only a face here, so we cannot do this one. And then they asked to divide this one, so we cannot divide this one also, because if we wanted to divide, this painting must be like in the same place, or there must be no drawing. And here is a handle, so we cannot divide it. So here is our Indian flag. So if we try to divide it like this, here's the flag and here's the flag, but here's even the stick, so we cannot divide this one also. So none of them can be divided. So now it comes to, if you ask the painter to draw things which cannot be divided into two similar mirror halves, then he cannot play the trick. Draw 3 more such things which do not have similar mirror halves. So you can see that these have mirror halves. You can even see this one, as this is a mirror half, but this one is not a mirror half because of having handle or a stick or a face. So they're saying the same thing, that makes some things by which he cannot make it half. So you can make a chair if you want. I'm making the side view as I taught you before, like this, because if you do the front view, then he can divide it easily, because there are two legs on one side, and then he can even divide it easily. So the side view is easier to be not divided. So you can make the chair like this, and you can even make a cushion if you want, like this. So first you have to make like this, and then you can even make a pencil. Let's make a pencil. Don't need to make a pen, like that. Let's make this straight. So this is a pencil. So he cannot divide it into half like this. He cannot divide it, or make 3 lines in this one, 1, 2 and 3, because if he tries to divide like this, then he can divide it. So I've made even a 3rd line, so then he cannot divide it, and write it as pencil. So next is mirror halves. Look at the pictures given below. Does the dotted line divide each picture into 2 similar mirror halves? So here they have given a triangle, and you can cut this triangle like this. So So if you take a triangle like this, you can cut it like this, or you can cut it like this, or like this. So it has so many mirror halves. You can make it like this, or like this, or like this. So the same thing they have shown here. So this one can be divided. You can write it as yes. This one can be divided, yes. But this one you can see, if we divide it like this, then this one and this one is not similar. So write it as no. This one also cannot be divided, because if he did it like this, then it could be yes, but he did it like this, so it's a no. Then similarly here, as I told you, we can even make it like this, so this is a yes. You can see even here is the same part, even here is the same part. Now this is represented as a tree. So here we have 3 circles and a triangle. So if we tried to cut it like this, then it would be equal. But he tried to cut it like this. So this part and this part is not equal. So write it as no. Now this is B. So if you take B can be cut like this. It cannot be cut like this. It can only be divided like this. So you can write this as yes. T. Even T can be divided like this, not like this. So this is a yes. Now this shape, it could be divided like this, but they divided it like this. So this part and this part is not similar. So write it as no. This shape, if they try to cut it like this, then it would be similar, but they have tried to cut it like this. So this part and this part is not equal. So write it as no. So this is a heart. So if you take a heart here like this, you can cut it like this, not like this. So even they have cut like this, so this is a yes. And if you take a M, you can cut it like this, not like this, because if you cut like this, this part and this part is not equal. So this is a yes. Then here you can see that this is a triangle. So as I've told you above, that you can cut it like this, or like this, or like this. So this is a yes, because this part and this part is equal. Now this shape is equal because this part and this part is equal, so it is divided equally. If they would have tried to divide it like this, then it would be a no, because this part and this part is not equal. So this is a yes. This shape, if they tried to cut it like this, then it would be equal, because this part and this part is equal, but here it's not equal, and this is also not equal, so it's a no. This shape is equal because this part and this part is equally divided, so this is yes. So you can see that we have done this. Now they told to give some more examples. Where? So first one that I'm going to show is a square. So you can take a scale for this one. So you can take any one of these sides. So I'm taking this like this, like that. Now let's take a circle. So you can see a circle can be divided like this or like this, and it can be even divided like this and like this. Same like the square, even circle can be divided. So I'm cutting it like this. Now let's draw two unequal ones. So let's take like this and like this. So let's make it unequal. So if we cut it like this, it will be unequal because this part and this part is unequal. And then let's take n. You can take a scale if you want for this one. So I've tried to make a n, and if we try to divide it like this, it will be unequal. So in this question you can see, using a dotted line, can you divide the following pictures into two similar halves? So they have given us so many figures, and we have to tell that if they can be divided into two halves. So first we are going to divide all of them into two halves, and then we are going to write yes or no if they are divisible or not. So first is a comb. You can make a comb divided like this. So you can use a scale if you want for this one, but you cannot divide it like this, because then one will be this side and one will be this side. So this has only one half. This one we can divide it like this. It cannot be divided like this. 8. In 8 we can have it like this and even like this. So you can see that this has two halves. A scissor has one half like this. Then a button has a half like this and a half like this. Like this. Then you can divide it like this. A cup you cannot divide it, because if you can see in this one also that it had a handle like this, so it couldn't be divided into half. So it cannot be divided into half. Next is a crown. So a crown can be divided like this. And a shirt can be divided like this. And then we can even make, this is a notification bell. So hit the like, subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell for more information. So you can cut this into half. Don't hit the notification bell half. Make it hit the notification bell fully. Don't divide it into half, just like the painter. Now this is a camera, and we can divide it into 2 or 1, because if we try to put it like this, then this side and a little bit of this would come, and if we try to put it like this, then this is also not equal, because these two will be one side and this will be one side. Aeroplane can be done like this, into one half, and this tool cannot be divided, because if we cut it like this, one side is bigger and one side is smaller, and same here, so we cannot divide this one. 2 we cannot divide 2 also, because if we try to put it like this, then this side and this side is not equal, and if we tried to put it like this, then this side and this side is not equal. We can divide a spectacle or glass like this. Then we can even divide a bag, and we cannot divide this one, because this side and this side will be not equal if we have done like this, and this side also we cannot do it, because this and this will be not equal. We cannot even do this umbrella, because if we cut it like this, then this side will have the handle and this side will not have, and if we cut it like this, this side will not have, and this is also not same. We cannot even do the clock, but no, we cannot do this one, because then the handle, the minutes, the hours hand is over here and the minutes hand is over here, so we cannot divide this one in 2 halves. Now I've given halves of each letter, so we have to make the other half of it and show that which alphabet it is. So let's start from C, like this, and it's a C. Then let's draw the A. So for A, we need to draw it like this, and then a straight line like this. Let's make it a bit fat, like this and like that. Then we need to draw a triangle. Please comment down. So next one is, using such letters we can also make words which have similar halves. Guess the words by looking at their halves. Looks like H, this looks like O, and this looks like W. So H or W is how. So word, this looks like W, A and X. So this is wax. Next is C, O, O, K, E and D. So this is the last page of the lesson, making a mask. So Ant is saying, now I can teach you how to make a mask of a cat. Take a piece of paper. So first you have to take a piece of paper. Then we have to fold it along the middle line. Like we have to, this is the paper and you have to fold it. And then on one side draw the figure. So on one side you have to draw the figure of the cat, and then the third one is cut it out with pair of scissors. then cut it out. And then when you open it, you can see that there are 2 eyes and 1 nose, and like there is one more half of the same cat which you drew. Color it and tie a rubber band on its back. Your mask is ready now. So then after you can find that you have to cut the eyes, or if you don't want to cut it, don't cut. And then you have to attach a rubber band, and then you can color it, and then your mask is ready. Next, they told you can make more such masks by taking help from the following pictures. So this is a girl, elephant, and a reindeer. So this is the last page of the lesson. So thank you for watching this video. Please like, share, comment and subscribe to this channel.
हमारे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करना ना भूलें।